Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel down below by hitting that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So on today's video, I'm just going to be doing my laundry. On today's video, I'm just going to be doing my laundry. From the last video that I did, the last time that I did like my laundry, you guys like showed me love in that video. You watched it, you commented, and I got a couple of questions, like especially the questions that I got is like the minutes that it takes actually to like finish your laundry, to do like basically to do your laundry. So today I'm just going to answer those questions, and I hope I remember all the questions because I didn't screenshot them. And yeah, basically that. And also, what else? Most of you asked the minute thing and also the price. To do with the price, I'm going to mention at the end of the video, so watch till the end so that you get everything to know about this machine. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Yeah. So guys, this is the machine that I was talking about. This is the name, Redeem, and then this is the on button, this is the program, this is the water level, and this is the play and pause. And this machine, and the other video I didn't mention, this is a 8 kg machine. Iko zile za 10 kg ziko 50 8 6, yeah. So, and also 10 kgs. So this is the filter. I'm going to remove it and show you. And just basically, this is just how the interior is looking like. This is where you just put your washing powder if you are just putting water directly from that area, so yeah, so that's basically that. I hope I've not missed anything. So if you have any more questions, leave them down in the description box below. Like I said, this is the power button, the on, the whatnot. So I already said that in the intro. So now I'm going to put this washing powder. This is how it looks. And then before I put it, before I pour some washing powder, let me just put, I hope you're seeing, let me just, oh my god, my boobs, let me just put the setting. So depending on your wash, you can do like normal wash, quick wash, gentle wash, strong wash, and large wash. So you can see like the minutes are changing, and depending on how you want it, you can set it like to your liking. I'm going to put mine at strong wash. I'm going to just put strong wash, that's 45, and then water level 1, and then I'm just going to play, and then the water will start doing its thing. I don't know if I should bring you closer. Let me just bring you closer so that you can see. Lord have mercy. Oh god. And that's what happens when you're filming, when you're, oh Jesus Christ. I think I overdid it on the powder, but anyway, I've just like poured. Oh my goodness. So I need to, okay, haijafika huko. So now that I've like poured the what do you call it, the washing powder, now I'm just going to make it put on the clothes and then start playing. I'm going to see you in just one second.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
So now that I have like all my clothes inside, now I'm just going to hit play, and you can hear like the machine doing its thing. And now I'm going to see you after like the first it has finished, and then I'm going to talk to you guys later. So we are 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes, so This is how like the situation is looking. Ukiona vile hizi nguo ni chafu, sijui kama mnaona, but ni chafu, si chafu vile. Yeah, so now maji ndio inataka kujitoa, so I just had to pause it so that I show you. Sijui kama mnasikia that the sound that it makes when it's like, you know, inatoa maji. Yeah, that's the sound. I wanted you to hear that sound. And then now it's going to start to spin, and I'm just going to see when it starts spinning. And we are at minute 27. It's going to spin, I think, for around 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and then after it has like finished spinning, I'm going to come and just put water for rinsing. So at this stage it may drain like maji, and this is the situation. It normally makes like a circle over here, and this is the situation. So right now I'm going to pour some water inside. Just put water, and now I've just put water, and now it's 21 minutes, and I'm just going to let it like rinse, and then we go hang the clothes. Now we are 13 minutes. It was 13, but now this is the situation. Like zimekauka, like hakuna maji. So now I'm going to like proceed and hang the clothes. And now this is the point where, let me just pause it. This is where you just add your fabric softener and water, and then you just hit on play. But I'm not going to put fabric softener. Yeah, so I'm just keeping that step and just proceeding to hanging the clothes. And this is how they are looking like. I hope hakuna ile inatoa rangi, but anyway, hivyo ndio nguo ziko. So now let me just go and hang, and then I show you some other settings on this machine.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So now this is the thing that I was showing you earlier when I started this video. So this is like a thing that I was showing you earlier. This is how dirty it's looking, and these are just this is a filter for the machine. So after you have completed washing, you clean this, and also you clean this basically, and then just return it over here. So I'm just going to when I finish like washing my clothes, I'm going to return it here, and then yeah, just basically that. So another thing that I didn't mention, when you're setting like this, if you have like the same machine, some machines have different settings, but I'm just going to talk about this one. So like now it's off, now I'm going to put it on, and then there's normal, quick, gentle, and strong wash, and large wash. If you have a toddler and your baby is just those the ones that are really, you know, all toddlers like love playing, and their clothes get dirty and very dirty, so I'll advise you to put at large wash. But if it's just your clothes and you know very well haziko chafu, you just put maybe strong or gentle wash depending on how you want it. You can just set your washing depending on how you want it. So like for this one is normal wash, and then this is 23 minutes. Yani this is the minutes that it will take just basically for your wash day to complete, like from start, from washing, soaking, and all that and everything, like from the start to the end. So this is just basically the minutes that you're going to wait for. And then gentle is 28 minutes, and then 49 minutes for the strong wash, and then large wash. The water level ndio hii, like iko now stages like 1 2 3 to 10, and then play and stop. So let me go and hang these clothes, and then I come and tell you the price and all those shenanigans. So guys, I hope you're all doing well. So I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, kindly do so, and also like this video. So I'm just here to close today's video, and I just want to say about the washing machine, the price, and whatnot. Washing machine is a very good thing if you like hate doing laundry, and also it actually saves you time, and especially if you're having like that washing machine that is connected to like the water source, it will save you like double the time. Washing machine is a really good thing that you should like purchase. Go and just purchase if you have the money and that. So if you want this exact washing machine, you can find it at Select Center, and I can't exactly mention the price, the actual price that we bought it, because maybe I can do an estimate, but the exact price, we bought it at a discount, so it was on sale, so that's why we grabbed it. If I remember the shop, I can't even remember the shop, but it's somewhere at Select Center. So yeah, so that's where we bought the washing machine. So if you want to maybe check it out, also we you can find it at GG, and yeah. So I'm going to like I think I'm going to put the name of over here or in the description box where we actually bought ours, like the people who like we bought the washing machine from, so that if you're interested to buy the exact model and everything, go there. So basically I will give this washing machine like 4.5 out of 5. Like I wish I could give it 5, but nothing is perfect. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and also liking this video, and yeah, and I will see you on the next video. Yeah, bye bye, love you all, peace out.